Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel Health Wellness. Today, we're diving into some of the best natural products that can help boost your immunity and keep you healthy. And stay tuned till the end, because I'll be sharing 5 powerful immune-boosting recipes that you can easily make at home. Ready? Let's jump in. Why immunity matters. Before we dive into the list, let's talk about why immunity is so important. Your immune system is your body's defense against bacteria, viruses, and other harmful invaders. And guess what? The food you eat plays a huge role in keeping your immune system strong. So, let's check out some amazing natural products that will help you stay healthy. Here are top natural products for immunity: citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits. High in vitamin C, which helps fight infections. Ginger, a natural anti-inflammatory and great for digestion. Garlic, packed with compounds that boost white blood cells. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Mushrooms, shiitake, reishi, help increase immune cell production. Almonds and sunflower seeds, rich in vitamin E, a key nutrient for immunity. Yogurt and fermented foods, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, support gut health, which is directly linked to immunity. Green tea, high in antioxidants that help fight off free radicals. And now that we know what to eat, let's put these amazing foods into action with 5 delicious recipes. Here are 5 powerful immune-boosting recipes. Recipe 1: immune-boosting turmeric and ginger tea. Starting with an easy one, a warm, soothing tea packed with anti-inflammatory benefits. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 1 cup hot water, 1 inch ginger, grated, 1-2 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, 1-2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon raw honey, optional. Juice of 1 or 2 lemon. Instructions. 1. Pour hot water over grated ginger and turmeric. 2. Add black pepper and cinnamon, let it steep for 5 minutes. 3rd strain, add honey and lemon juice. Stir and enjoy. Recipe 2: Vitamin C Power Smoothie. Next up, a delicious and refreshing smoothie loaded with vitamin C to strengthen your immune system. Ingredients: 1 orange, peeled, 1-2 cup papaya, 1-2 red bell pepper, chopped, 1-2 cup spinach, 1 teaspoon flax seeds, 1 cup coconut water, 1-2 teaspoon grated ginger. Instructions. 1. Blend all ingredients until smooth. 2. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Recipe 3. Garlic and mushroom immunity soup. A warm bowl of garlic and mushroom soup is not just comforting, it's an immune-boosting powerhouse. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 cup mushrooms, shiitake or reishi, sliced, 1 small onion, chopped, 1 teaspoon oregano, ½ teaspoon turmeric, 3 cups vegetable broth, 1/2 cup spinach, optional. Instructions. 1. Heat olive oil, sauté garlic, onions, and mushrooms. 2. Add oregano, turmeric, and broth. Simmer for 15 minutes. 3. Add spinach, stir, and serve warm. Recipe 4. Almond and pumpkin seed energy bites. For a quick snack on the go, try these energy bites packed with vitamin E and zinc. Ingredients: ½ cup almonds, 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, ½ cup dates, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Instructions. 1. Blend almonds, pumpkin seeds, and dates. 2. Add cinnamon, honey, and coconut oil. 3. Roll into small balls and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Recipe 5. Probiotic-rich yogurt and berry bowl. Last but not least, a super simple yogurt bowl to support gut health, which is key to a strong immune system. Ingredients: 1 cup plain yogurt with probiotics, ½ cup mixed berries, 1 teaspoon flax seeds, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1 tablespoon sunflower seeds. Instructions. 1. Add yogurt to a bowl, top with berries, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds. 2. Drizzle with honey and enjoy. So there you have it, 5 delicious and easy recipes to keep your immune system strong and healthy. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Stay healthy, stay happy,